protect this world. Therefore, how after the end of the creation, life started again. Let's listen to the story. There used to live a demon named Incarnation, who was the son of sage Kashyap and mother Danu. Composed the Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharved in the form of knowledge. Then, after Brahmaji went to sleep, stole all the 4 Vedas from there. As soon as Vedas disappeared from the world, the place of religion started being taken by unrighteousness in this world. Every religion's man in the world became unrighteous and very wicked. Gradually, humans started losing fear of God and became so cruel and mischievous that they started considering gods as free of their own selfish gains. Mahadev became very angry and he decided to destroy the entire world with the fire of his anger. But even at that time, there were some people in this world in whom religion was still alive. Among them, 7 sages and King Satyavrata was a great devotee of Sri Hari. Once, King Satyavrata, after taking bath in the river in the morning, was offering prayer to the sun god. Then, while offering prayer, a small fish came in his hands. "Oh king, don't put me in. Big fish living in the river make small fish their food. If you put me in the water, they will make me their food too. You are the king, and the duty of the king is to protect. Please protect me." "Oh Matsya, don't be afraid. I will take you to my palace." "But will there be a place for me in your palace?" "Why not? The entire city can fit in my palace. You are so small. I will keep you in my kamandal." King Satyavrata keeps that Matsya in his kamandal. In a few moments, Matsya takes the size of kamandal. "Rajan, this kamandal is too small for me. Please keep me in a bigger place." It is very strange that in a few moments you have grown so much to the size of this kamandal. The king is surprised to see that fish. He puts the fish in a big vessel. But it grows bigger again and takes the shape of that big vessel. "Rajan, this vessel has also become small. Please keep me at such a place that I get enough space." "Now, only a huge ocean will be enough space for you." King Satyavrata takes that fish and releases it into the sea. But after that, when that fish becomes as big as the sea, then the king understands that it is not just any fish, but there is some supernatural powers in the form of a fish. "Oh submerged in the ocean. All the three worlds will start drowning in water. Then, with my inspiration, a very big boat will come. Then you take the subtle bodies of all the living beings and sit in that boat, along with the 7 sages, and keep with you all kinds of edible and medicinal seeds, so that you can start life again after the time of destruction. When the boat wavers due to the fierce storm, I will come in the form of a fish and protect you. According to the instructions of Lord Narayan, King Satyavrata goes to the top of a mountain with the 7 sages, the subtle bodies of all living beings, and the seeds of all kinds of edible and medicinal, and board this boat sent by Lord Narayan. Exactly on the 7th day, a terrible flood occurs on the earth. Lightning starts thundering in the sky, and heavy rains start falling from the thundering clouds. Samudra starts flooding, and the whole world starts drowning in the water. With all the sages start preaching Lord Narayan. First of all, goes to destroy the demon Hygrieve living under the water. First encounters Hygrieve's army head. His head was separated from his body by Lord Matsya in a single blow with his Sudarshan chakra. After that, a fierce battle breaks out between Lord Matsya and attack each other with weapons. All his strength to face Lord Matsya. But the evil kills him by separating his head from his Lord and frees the 4 Vedas which the demon Hygrieve had stolen from Brahmadev. After the death of demon Hygrieve, Lord Matsya appeared from water along with Sheshna.